101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. And yeah, we are here again as usual every Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. We absolutely have a very interesting program with Smart FM Makassar, namely Smart Up Your Life English Discussion with English Communities. Alright, guys, so yeah, smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, of course. I'm here. I'm Naufal Mufli. I am here as a host, and yeah, we already have friends here that coming from a various kind of English communities, especially in Makassar. Hello, guys. Hello. How are you today?
Great.
Feeling great. Feeling good. Feeling awesome.
Doing good.
Alhamdulillah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, because our guest already here, so maybe before we are going to discuss about our topic for this evening, maybe we can keep in touch, or yeah, we have to get to know them one by one. Okay. Maybe we can start from you. Okay. So introduce yourself and also your English communities.
Okay, hello guys. Let me
Hello.
introduce myself
Okay.
first. My name is Andi Syarudin. Yeah, you can call me Syair. And I'm from Bright Angle Society. And I'm the former Bright Angle Society
Wow.
period 2023-2024. And also I'm the diplomat Bright English Meeting Club Indonesia.
Wow. BMC, right?
Yeah, BMC,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Next.
Thank you.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay. Hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Inshira.
Mhm.
Thank you very much for having me. I'm from BMCE,
Mhm.
which stands for Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia.
Okay, bridge. It stands for BMC, right? BMC,
Yes.
bridge. Is it like the twin bridge,
Yes.
in Goa? Okay, and
And
what's about in the BMC?
in BMC we have two many programs,
Mhm.
but the one that we have in weekly is like online meeting, and we have also offline meeting.
Okay.
And yeah, it was pretty regular, so it's very welcome for anybody to join. If you want to know about our updates, please follow us on our Instagram at bmc_official.
Okay, so BMC official is free of charge, right?
Yes,
Free-
it's free,
free
for,
for
anyone,
everyone.
everyone in
Okay.
any age
Yeah, yeah,
is
yeah.
welcome.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, we move to my left side. Okay, this is your first time, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
This is my first
Okay,
time.
yeah, so introduce yourself and also your
Um,
English communities.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Let me introduce myself.
Mhm.
My name is Ashabikul Arham, and you can call me Abil.
Abil. Hello, Abil.
Hello.
Okay.
And I am a student of English Education Department, grade year 2025. Let me explain a little piece about English Education Department.
Mhm.
So, in English Education Department, the preparation of overseas by study club is designed for students who interested in international mobility, like for study, work, or migration.
Okay.
And the student of English Education Department link facilitates with developing social skill to build a relationship with various stakeholders,
Yeah.
including client, investor,
Wow.
government entities, and community. And the student of English Education Department English Club has provided a platform for students to enhance their English language skill.
Okay, so to develop your skill,
yeah.
English skill, right?
Yeah,
Mhm.
and at English Education Department, Tarbiyah and Teacher Training Faculty at Alauddin State Islamic University
Wow.
of Makassar, you will not only acquire language but also be equipped with comprehensive methodology,
Oh.
knowledge in pedagogy, and effective teaching methodology. And so join the English Education Department, Tarbiyah and Teacher Training Faculty at Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar and become a part the future generation poised to contribute meaningfully to national campaign for talk education.
Wow.
I think that's all for me.
So there's so many programs, right? And
Yeah.
you see it. So many programs. I think that's very awesome, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Abil.
Yeah.
Okay. So welcome to our program and make applause first for us.
Yeah.
Okay. Yay. And yeah. Because we already know about the guest, the special guest, the speaker for this evening, maybe we can begin our topic for this evening, right? Okay, so the topic is extra mile person. Extra mile person. Okay, so an extra mile person is a person who gives more than what we asked before. Okay, I mean like they can give beyond our expectation, right? For example, like they are paid 5 million rupiah, but they can give their performance worth in 10 million rupiah. So, yeah. So very very worth it.
Yeah.
Okay, so like an extra person when they work, when they perform, when they acting, when they work in some corporation, they give more, they go all out for the job, for the work. Okay, and yeah, we mean like the extra person is like they are above average, above average, di atas rata-rata. Yeah. Okay. And then my first question to all of you guys, and also the smart viewers and also smart listeners at home. My first question, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear about the extra mile person? Okay, maybe Kak Ira want to answer first question.
All right. Thank you for the chance. When the first time I heard about extra mile person, the one that comes to my mind is go extra mile idiom from English that indicates someone who putting extra effort in everything that they're doing, which is actually sound quite positive, but in reality, if someone pushing so much themselves
Yeah.
in doing it, it's gonna be like overwork, and it's gonna be too much. So there's like a fine line between extra mile and then being comfortably saying no to
Yeah. I do
Yeah.
agree with you. Okay, yeah, keep your statement and we move to Kak Syair. Okay, so what comes to first in your mind when you hear about the topic for this evening?
Okay, the first time in my mind when I
Yeah.
heard the extra mile person, it's like when the people give you job,
Yeah.
so you so very very excited
Mhm.
to offer, excited to keep the make it the perfect.
Yeah, that's
The
true.
job is the
That's
task
true.
it very make it the perfect, and yeah, you excited to learn here.
Yeah.
Right.
When the boss say to us, like you have to do well, but we, as an external person, we can give an excellent, not
Yeah, it's,
just not just well, right?
Yeah, just
And
like
then?
example like the way
Mhm.
when I give my friend the job,
Mhm.
editing video.
Wow.
So
That's your
and
another skill.
yeah. So I tell him, so please keep the very perfect.
Yeah.
So keep the very perfect and very 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 beautiful like the
Wow, yeah.
video like
Mhm.
that. So you
Just make
just
it perfect,
yeah,
right?
you don't just the like the okay, this is clear, sir.
Mhm.
So not like that.
Yeah.
So you have to make the perfect. So I think that's all when I heard the extra math person in my mind.
So you mean like there is must be a lot of revision
Yeah.
for your job,
Yeah, that's what it-
especially.
yeah.
Okay, so keep your statement, Kak Syair. Yeah, we move to Kabil. Okay.
Okay. The first thing come in my mind when I heard our topic tonight
Mhm.
is extra mile. If I heard extra, I can mean it's very, and I can conclude extra mile is a person who giving more effort for
Mhm.
something.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So you mean
because-
like extra synonym fairy?
Yeah, because
Mm.
because we have to because they want to giving something is
Mhm.
very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. For example, tomorrow I will exam about speaking,
Yeah.
but but I overthinking with the result, and I learn in linguistics too, in grammar,
Yeah.
for give the maximal
Yeah,
result.
so
Yeah.
you want to give your maximum capacity, your
Yeah.
maximum probability to
Yeah.
do your exam, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Thank you, Gabil. Yeah, we move to our new speaker. Yeah, can
Yeah.
you first introduce yourself and just answer my question about what is your opinion about the topic for this evening?
Okay, first I want to introduce myself.
Mhm,
My
yeah.
name is Muhammad Kenzi Saputra.
Okay.
Actually, my friends call me Kenzi or Ken.
Ken.
Yeah.
Ken. Hello, Ken.
Um,
Okay.
my first when I hear the topic at this night, actually I research at
Yeah.
the Google Form. I see some people most efforts and give some how to say it.
Yeah, just say in
It's,
Indonesia when you difficult to say.
Memerhatikan sesuatu
Okay.
yang lebih detail gitu.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, and then
And then
okay, so the extrovert person that Ken said before, he like how to say so detailed person, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Gitu.
And then?
And then maybe like what I say, giving some effort to other people, but so
Yeah, you mean like more than what
yeah,
people
more than
ask.
people ask.
Okay, thank you, Ken.
Yeah.
Okay, and my next question, maybe I want to ask to all of you guys and also the smart viewers, about can you describe to yourself? Is it you yourself? Would you say your type of personality? Is it you all are the extrovert person or not? I mean, like, are gonna be all out to your job or your performance, or maybe you just say, oh, just enough, it's do you like that kind of person, like just enough or all out? Right? Okay, are you all out or just enough? Okay, just enough. Maybe I tired. Something like that. Okay, yeah, maybe Kak Syair.
Okay, of course, I'm the type extrovert person.
Extrovert person, wow.
Because I'm always the
beneficial.
makes the perfect time,
Yeah,
because my
that's
job
right.
is editing video, so
Mhm.
I always look to someone when is it's not
Yeah,
bad.
like Kaken said before, we have to become more detailed.
Yeah, I'm
Mhm.
compared with detail. When it's not detailed, and when it's not, so I think it's a bad. So
Yeah.
I take is the back perfect.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, I'm personal is extrovert person.
There's your habit.
yeah.
Your habit, your job.
Yeah,
so,
it's a job, editing
okay.
videos.
Okay.
It's
So
make it very
you're
perfect.
not just enough.
No, it's not. It's not.
You have give your 100%,
100%,
200%.
Push myself
Yeah.
over.
push to the limit.
Yeah,
right?
push the limit. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, maybe Kabil.
Um,
Do you feel yourself is you are an extrovert person or just enough? I am tired. Yeah. Let them continue my job. Okay.
I think maybe no,
Mhm.
because but I try to be.
Mhm. Wow.
Before I say that, in my exam speaking, I want to try to give the best.
Yeah.
All to the best. I learned to grammar,
Mhm.
vocabulary, for giving for get
Mhm.
the maximal score,
Wow.
like that.
Mhm.
And maybe I can be an extramile person too.
Yeah, that's true because we
Because
learn
it
from
can be
Kak Abil.
habit.
Yeah, we learn from Kak Abil. He said like, at least he can push himself, right? At least he is trying to do your best, right, Kak Abil?
That's why I can.
Okay, maybe Kak Ira,
Uh,
the
yes.
next. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you think yourself is an extrovert person?
Yeah, sort of. I'm
Mhm.
slightly the extra mile person, the one
Wow.
that's go extra mile. But for me, in my case, I will say I will refuse if it's like too much or like beyond beyond what I could do,
Mhm.
because actually for doing the extra mile, it's actually a good thing,
Yeah.
like previous speaker said. Because I also hear from research that even a little stress could
Mhm.
actually bring you to the best version of you.
Yeah.
So sometimes people do need a little pressure, needs to go a little extra
Mhm.
mile to get the best of themselves,
Yeah.
and that's a good way for improvement, I guess.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, because me too. But yeah, I'm not always an extrovert person. Yeah,
You
because
are.
it depends my condition. Because yeah, all of you guys call me as a pa RT. I'm
Ah.
very busy. I have a lot of job. I have a lot of work to work. I have a lot of to do. So yeah, I think I have to. Make it clear in my first job and my next job. So I think there's how to say there's one to I have to become an extrovert person. I have to become more than what people expected from me. And the second one, if there is no pressure, maybe I can just so just a so
Yes.
skill. Yeah. And yeah, next, Kak Ken, what about you? Do you really feel yourself as an extrovert person, or yeah, just enough?
Maybe I'm in an at extra mile person
Wow.
because before I'm in at my major,
Mm-hmm.
I'm learned at 3 years
Wow.
in my high school.
Mhm.
Because if
You
I'm
learn
not,
a lot.
yeah,
Right? Mhm.
because if I'm not learn, maybe I cannot do in
Yeah.
at this major.
At least you're trying to become to do your best, right?
Yeah, I
Mhm.
think.
And then, yeah.
Then what is it? Maybe just
Okay,
that.
so keep your statement, and yeah, we
Yeah,
move
because
to my next question. Yeah, if you if I want to know in to all of you guys, the smart viewers and also smart listeners, in your opinion, what are the strengths of someone who always give more? How to say, give more than what we expected, and beside that, what is the weakness? I mean, like here, is it like the positive or the negative things about the external person itself, right? Do you get the point?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. The strengths and also the weakness about the external person. Okay. Yeah. Maybe Kak Ira. Mhm.
Okay, it's not for me. I
Yeah,
didn't
it's not
expect
for
it. Or the strength
You
and
already
weaknesses.
expected.
No, I'm not expecting it. It's quite the opposite. For the strength about go the extra mile, it could turn you into like hardworking person and
Yeah.
then trying your best into something.
It's like to build yourself,
Yeah,
Mhm.
build yourself and
to build your personality, right?
yeah,
Mhm.
personality and being goal oriented, where
Mhm.
you doing it perfectly well. It's like extra mile.
Yeah.
Other,
It means like you have a vision, right?
yes.
Mhm.
But
then?
the weaknesses
Mhm.
about going the extra mile could really tire you if it's like happens all the time. So in life, there used to like two kind of people: the one
Yeah.
that go extra mile, and the one that goes like, oh, this is not I'm not paid enough for this.
Yeah.
Like they're not doing it.
That's
They're
true.
not gonna
Yeah,
doing
yeah.
it enough because
Mhm.
I'm not paying enough for this.
Mhm.
But yeah,
Or maybe yeah, they don't have a passion in that
yeah, it
job,
could be.
right? Mhm,
It
mhm.
could be they don't have enough passion, motivation.
Yeah.
And maybe there's so many reasons. But in personality, you could always trying to do your best into
Mhm.
something.
Yeah.
Just like a diamond, when they or like a sword, when they want it to be like perfect shape and a good use. They have to be like in hardship, built into in a good quality,
Mhm.
so that it
Yeah.
could be in best version of it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kaira. Yeah, we have to Kabil. Yeah. Yeah, the
In
weakness and
my
also the strength.
in my opinion,
Mhm.
being an extra mile person, it can be strength and weakness too. How I
Oh,
say
yeah.
that? And it's strength because extra mile person is also give more effort to the
Yeah.
friend when they when want to help his friend.
Mhm.
He give more effort,
Yeah.
and it can be by her friends, by their friends.
Okay. It means
And
like the external person it's just the same with a helpful person, right? Yeah.
yeah. And however, it can be a weakness
Mhm.
if the an extra mile is push themselves to help each other.
Yeah.
Maybe when the situation is not good for them to help each other, but he just keep in their to help their people. He just push themselves
Yeah.
to get to helping their friends,
Mhm.
and it can make their friends to think, oh, I can to take advantage with the
Yeah,
people.
that's true.
Yeah,
Mhm.
because these people is very kind, is very good, is very like to helping each other. Yeah,
Wow.
something like that.
Mhm. Because we already experienced that. Okay, Kak Kenzie. Yeah, what about you?
Maybe can be strange because you must be give the some effort and see the details.
Mhm,
Yeah, and can be witness too.
Yeah, it can make us exhausted, tired. no? Mhm.
Yeah, make stress out because you give the
So what about the weakness from the extrovert person?
just what like
Mhm.
I will say.
Yeah.
You can apa?
To take advantage.
You to take
Yeah.
advantage by
Yeah,
your
oh,
friend.
Yeah, a lot of friends just take advantage from us. Sometimes, yeah, from our kindness because yeah, I think that the people is really helpful. You know.
Yeah, actually I
Yeah,
have
yeah.
friends like that.
I know because I experienced it. Okay, thank you, Kak Kenzie. Yeah, we move to Kak Syair.
I think I like Sam like the other
Mhm.
speaker and the strengths. My opinion
Yeah.
is like if the more give you 100%
Yeah.
to all the best to give the tired and my opinion in the negative extra mile I think is anti-critical,
Yeah.
you know
Anti-critical. Yeah.
because if my example like
Yeah.
my friend say it's enough, it's very clear,
Mm.
but I say no, it's not,
No,
it's
no.
not, it's still perfect, so you have to push your skill, your move
Because you have your own vision about that job, right?
yeah, yeah, perfectionist, yeah, that's the point.
Mhm.
It's just
Oh,
that.
perfection. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay, so what about the weakness?
The weakness is it's like that.
Mhm.
Like the same like the other speaker. You you're tired, and because your mind is so very push you over,
Yeah.
and your mentality
Mm.
and your just money or like that.
Yeah, all of that. Because
you every
uh,
time you thinking about your job, wow, like that.
in Indonesia they say beban pikiran.
Yeah.
Right.
It's like
Okay.
that.
Yeah. Thank you, Kak Syair.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so next I will let you imagine. I will let you imagine about if you are in a working environment. In a working environment. Do you think that this kind of attitude, this kind of personality, I mean, like extrovert person, do you think is it still relevant in this today's work environment, or yeah, maybe does it actually make people how to say burn out faster, exhausted, make it more tired, Okay. So how about you, Kak Syair? In
Okay.
this era,
Okay. It's
A lot of people, yeah,
Intense.
like all the speakers said before, take an advantage to the external person. Does it actually make you exhausted, or yeah, is it like to become build your this is the opportunity to build your personality, strong personality.
I think it's a good question.
Mm-hmm.
I think mm, to build up the personality,
Yeah.
in the government.
Yeah. the government.
I think it's to now right now is I
Mhm.
think it's my opinion.
Mhm.
I think it's not relevant,
Oh.
because first because why I said that
Mhm.
because the facility is not good,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Mhm. Yeah. We are not supported.
It's not support a facility if we are going to doing the job,
If we want to do a great job, we do want to we need a great sponsor. We need a
Yeah,
good
that's right.
yeah, that's right.
So and sometimes when we are good the clear the job, and sometimes I think the feedback is not really good to us,
Yeah.
and so I think it's
It's
not
just the same with the unavailable facility, right?
yeah,
Mhm.
it's not compatible.
It's not compatible. Okay. Take your statement
Okay.
and yeah, Kaira.
Okay.
Also, how about you? In today's environment, is it still relevant, or it's just make us more down? Exhaust.
That's a good question,
Mhm.
and related to what happened today.
Mhm.
I think for being the personality that always go extra mile
Mhm.
could be still how do you say
What?
relevant.
Yeah.
It could be still relevant for happening
Mhm.
for today. Because as long just to make sure, as long as it's for your own self, do it for yourself, not for the company.
Wow,
Sometimes
yeah.
company is just want to hire people like you,
Mhm.
but you are only you, and as long as the extra mile that you do benefit you personally,
Mhm.
improve yourself,
Yeah.
and get you more knowledge, then that would be a plus for your own self,
Mhm.
and not only to benefits the company but also to put you first
Yeah.
before the company, and that's
Mhm.
what it's for. And like, what's the point of putting good thing? I mean, that's a good way to put good things in company, but you yourself it have to come first
Yeah.
before a company.
Okay, because if yourself is more and beyond your expectation, it can be more beneficial to the government, to the environment, right?
Yeah, it could also open a new opportunities for you,
Yeah.
other than what you have now. So imagine the go extra mile. It's benefiting you,
Mhm.
not for the others.
Yeah.
So,
Just think
yeah.
about it's so beneficial to yourself, right?
Yes,
Mhm.
see it that way,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
as a burden, you guys,
Mhm.
because yeah, that would be like a really different kind of thinking.
Yeah. Thank you, Kara.
Yes.
Yeah, we move to Kak Kenzie and also Kak Abil. So yeah, how about you? What is your opinion about my question before? It means like, can you imagine when you in the future you are working in the working environment? Do you think like this kind of person, this extra mile person, extra mile personality, is still relevant, or it's just make you can be more tired?
For my opinion,
Mhm.
if you are an external person
Mhm.
in the government, the future when you have a job,
Mhm.
it's the opportunity or advantage for you,
Yeah.
because you want all is the perfect.
Mhm.
The job is perfect. You will
Yeah.
not stop when the job is not perfect.
Oh yeah.
And it's advantage for our job, for the job,
Mhm.
and maybe
Yeah, good
yeah.
for us and also good for our job, right?
Yeah, that's right.
For both.
Yeah.
And keep in yourself,
Mhm.
because being a Somal is a good thing.
Mhm.
It's a right way,
Yeah.
because it's a good to be want to be all of them is perfect
Mhm.
when in your job,
Mhm.
and something like that.
it brings a good environment if
Yeah.
we can
Yeah.
become an extrovert person,
Yeah,
right?
because you want to
Mhm.
all of them is the perfect.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, you move to Kak Ken. Yeah. What about you?
Maybe apa tadi?
Yeah,
What's the question?
if it's still relevant, yeah, if you in the future you are in a work environment, yeah, you are take your job, is it like is it good for you or to and also to your environment or just it just make yourself more tired, you know?
Mm,
Yeah, yeah,
Maybe
yeah. Okay.
relevant to us because we work to have what?
To get money.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Get a
That's the
lot of
point.
money.
Money first.
And then
in this era, it's
yeah.
money first.
Yeah.
Money first.
Yeah. We are not
And-
gonna lie because today's era we very money.
Need money.
Yeah, the dollar is so high.
But that's it. Is
Mhm.
maybe gonna be being tired
Yeah.
if you work so hard.
That's the negative things.
Yeah.
If we become more,
Usually-
take more effort.
Yeah, good too if you
Mhm.
have an extra mile person
Okay.
because that is for your future.
Yeah, I mean it means like we have to keep this attitude, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you
Yes.
again. Yeah, we move to like my next question is just like how about you? It means like if we were asked to become the extrovert person, how do you think? How do you think like just imagine that we are an extrovert person, right? Just imagine that. So how do you think that we can balance our loyalty, our loyalty, maybe to our environment or to the government, to the work site, or how we can balance our loyalty, the external person itself, and also our mental health. How we can balance it, ya. Bagaimana cara kita menyeimbangkan, ya, menyeimbangkan our attitude as an external person, and also we have to think about our mental health, right? Okay, yeah, maybe Kak Syahir.
Oh, I think
How we can balance it.
how can balance that.
Yeah, tips and trick maybe.
I think for me tips. I think when I like the what is it got the what is it like the maybe we can watching the movie
Okay.
if you like your frustration like your job,
Mm-hmm.
watching the movie and yeah, do something like you do something make you happy.
Oh
Yes,
yeah,
like that.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So if you get the balance like the
Mhm.
mental health, if you got the mental health,
Yeah.
so you keep the do something make you happy, guys.
It's keep your energy, right?
Yeah,
Mhm.
to recharge your energy.
Yeah. So at least we have to keep the time to how to say the extra time.
Yeah.
The willing.
When you like when you're tired in the
Mhm.
job, so like the watching the movie
Mhm.
and like
Take a
the-
rest.
Yeah, take a rest. So yeah, just like that.
That's the trick.
Yeah, it's like simple.
Okay. Yeah, maybe I can. Yeah, want to answer a question? Yeah. So how about you? How we can balance? How we can keep our loyalty and also our mental health if we become a extrovert person?
Maybe just what to say it luangkan waktu.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You take time, you know.
Yeah, take your time to. If I like to spend my time to travel
Yeah, yeah,
or
yeah.
going to hiking and
Wow.
it's
Invite me.
Bawa kareng.
oh my god, Bokareng.
Okay. And then.
And then just balance it.
Mhm.
Don't be so tired if you want to
Yeah.
work hard.
Mhm.
Just do what the best you can
Yeah,
do.
yeah, yeah.
You just it
Okay.
for
Don't,
me.
don't become too much person.
You don't become too much person. That's
Okay.
not good.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Kak Abil.
Um,
maybe
Can
you
you
can
repeat again?
yeah, maybe you can give us tips and trick how we can keep our healthy if
Um,
we become an extrovert person.
it can be play to game like Mobile
Yeah,
Legends,
yeah,
and
yeah. Invite me.
I believe yeah,
What's your
and
idea?
and
Yeah.
it can be control yourself.
Yeah.
Because I believe extrovert person has a good ability to control their
Wow.
emotion.
Yeah, that's true.
As no
Mhm.
the emotion like with cool head when the problem had a problem we
Mhm.
they solve with the cool head and
Mhm.
anything, and maybe we can something like
Mhm.
that.
Yeah, for me, yeah, just like you, because I always spend my time with my friends, maybe playing games, mabar mabar,
Yeah.
right? Okay, and also yeah, spend my time with my family, of course, with my siblings. Okay, yeah, maybe you.
The tips and trick from three answers, they all say the first tip and trick, which is
Take a rest.
yeah, take a
Mhm.
rest. But actually, I would like to say it's a work-life balance. Actually, it has to be balanced between work and your life. So it could improve your life and your work quality.
Yeah.
But the second thing, other than work and life balance, is doing the extra mile. Do it not only for the human, but also doing it for good deeds.
Mhm.
So it's not only because you want to impress others,
Mhm.
but also you want to giving a good giving a good deeds, doing a
Mhm,
good
yeah.
performance, and just be a good servant.
Yeah, don't think about the other expectation.
Yeah, sometimes if we just think about worldly thing, it will really burden us. But sometimes if we putting into seeing this as a good deeds,
Yeah.
maybe it could release your stress and your burden. So
Yeah.
it's not only that heavy. You could
Yeah,
still
yeah,
goes
yeah,
on.
It's all about our mindset, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
like
true.
your idea.
Okay, okay. So my last question,
Oh, it's the very last.
maybe it's not the question, but I invite to all of you guys. So maybe you can send your message to smart viewers and also smart listeners at home. Of course, maybe you can give your message maybe to all of them who are struggling at work, struggling at work, and also what would you say to smart viewers at home if they are keep struggling and they feel more exhausted, and yeah, just give your message to all of them. Mhm. Who wants to be first? Ladies first.
Well, ladies first.
Ladies
I'm the
first.
only-
Okay, ladies first in the last question.
Okay, thank you for the chance.
Uh-huh.
So my message to all the smart listeners and smart
Mhm.
viewers,
Mhm.
if you are now in the situation that you have to always go to extra mile,
Mhm.
please know that even though that you're in a hardship right now, I believe that in one day you could be the best version of yourself.
Yeah.
You could be like in a good situation that you always pray for, wanted, and just please don't give up wherever you are, whatever
Yeah.
you're doing right now. I believe you can do it, and keeps the spirit up.
One phrase.
One praise.
Uh-huh.
Go the extra mile. That's the idea.
Okay. Thank you,
for
Kaira.
today. Yes.
Okay. Maybe Kak Abil. Yeah.
My,
What is your message?
my message
Mhm.
for as I'm a person, the first keep in yourself because you're in the right way.
Mhm.
But you have to control your extra mile because if you don't have to control, you will take advantage with
Mhm.
each other with
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah.
help. Yeah,
Yeah.
something like that.
Mhm.
And that's all for me.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Abil. Yeah, Kak Kenzie. Mhm.
Like what Abil
Yeah,
said, don't be
uh-huh. Yeah.
Kind.
don't be so kind,
Mm.
and
Okay.
yeah,
Don't be too
because
much,
if
you know?
you so
Yeah.
kind to
Yeah.
too
To the
much
other person,
to
yeah.
other person is
Mhm.
not good because maybe he can be use you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's too bad. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Kak Kenzie. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
The last.
my last,
The last
to Smart FM
Yeah.
English community.
Yeah.
I think just one keyword, just keep confidence, guys.
Wow.
Because
Keep confidence.
yeah, because so enjoy yourself when you people give you the job.
Mm-hmm.
So this the person is extra mile, so just relax
Mhm.
because but please keep make it perfect in
Yeah.
your job, guys. So like that. So,
Please do your maximum.
yeah, maximum
Mhm.
100%, 100%. Give
Yeah.
your effort.
Give more than what people expect.
Yeah, so good to be on.
Yeah, in a simple way, do your best. Just
Yeah.
just do your best.
Yeah.
It's more than enough. You know.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Yeah. Thank you Kak Kenzie. Thank you Kak Awil. Thank you
Thank
Kak
you,
Sair,
thank
and
you.
also thank you Kak Ira from BEMSI, from SID, and also from BEST. Okay. Make a plus first. Okay. And yeah. Okay. So that's all our discussion for this evening for today. And also thank you very much for joining with us in Smart FM Makassar. And for all smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, don't forget to stay tuned with us in the schedule every Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. On 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.